Hey everyone, my name is Ranshul. I'm from Zenduty engineering team, and I'm gonna walk you through how you can integrate your GChat with a Zenduty application as a contact method and as a service outgoing integration. So first, let's try adding GChat bot as a contact method. So for that, what you need to do is click this new chat, find apps, and reloading, and search for Zenduty. And here it is. Just search Zenduty and install. Just to sign in, just wait for a while. Next, and now as you can see, it's installed. So now your application is installed in the GChat, and what you need to do is integrate this with Zenduty. So what you need to do is this: click this link here, click here to link, and it will redirect you to the Zenduty application. Just connect GChat, and now your Zenduty chatbot is connected to the Zenduty. And go to the profile, go to the contact method. Here you just reload this. Here you can see this user, this your Google user is connected to this Zenduty application, and in notification rule you also see this immediately send GChat alert. So let's try creating an incident. Team backend service, sign to Anshul Rajput, and let's try testing GChat. Testing GChat, and get priority testing GChat, and the incident has been created, and you can see it will come here in a while. Just wait for a while. Yeah, the incident card is shown here, and from here you can acknowledge also. So let's try acknowledging it. The incident is acknowledged. I'll reload this, and then you can see it's acknowledged. So okay, you have successfully added Zenduty chatbot as a contact method. Now let's try adding it into a space. So what you need to do is go to space, just search for Zenduty application. Here it is, add, and now the application has been added. What you need to do is link again, it will redirect again, and here you have to select a team and select a service. Let's try backend service and accept. So now your backend service is connected to the GChat space, which is prod Zenduty. So now let's creating an incident in the backend service. So now let's see, backend service is backend service, sign to Anshul Rajput, and test GChat service integration. And priority. So now I've created an incident again, and you can see in the backend service you've got the incident here as well. So now from here you can also acknowledge, resolve, whatever you want to do. So now I'll show you how you can add multiple services to the same space. So just go to Zenduty again, and I'll try to create another service because I only have one service. So I'll create one more service. Front end service. This is front end service. Backend escalation policy, I'll leave it the same, and we'll see. So I've created another service which is front end service, and you can add it add this also to the same space. So for before that, I'll just try to show you. If I create an incident in the front-end service, it won't show in the Zenduty chatbot. Let's try it. Service update front-end service assigned to Anshul Rajput. Testing front-end incident is no. The signal the party as well. Okay, so I've created this again, and let's try to refresh it. I'll go to here. So in prod Zenduty space, I won't see this that incident here, but I can see it here because I have added to it as a contact method. So as a contact method, I can see, but I cannot see in the space. Oh, just wait a minute. Yeah. So let's try to add it in this front-end service in this place also. So what I will do is I'll type slash connect again. No, not this one. Slash connect, and it will again create the link, and then it will again redirect you to it, and then select the team, select the service again, front-end service, and then accept again. Now your front-end service is also connected to the same space. Now let's try creating an incident into the front-end service. From now on, you can see it in the GChat application. So let's go to the front-end service assigned to Rajput. Testing front-end service integration. Please signal. Okay, let's paste it here and create incident. So now you can see I've created an incident again, and now you can see it in the space also. From here you can resolve also. I have resolved the incident. You can see it here also. I'll just refresh it, and the incident has been resolved. So this is the walkthrough how you can add a GChat Zenduty bot to Zenduty application as a contact method and as a service integration also, and how you can add multiple services to the same space. And hope this is helpful